Welcome back to another video, guys. So I saw a very nice trade opportunity on jump order index. I'm looking to buy in this index from this level. I already got my buy zone marked out, which is at this point, which is here. Basically, I'm expecting this index to drop to this level for a good buy opportunity. So here in today's video, I want us to have a market analysis on this index price action. Basically, I want us to have a market breakdown on jump order index, and we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame. The higher time frame we'll be analyzing from can be the weekly time frame, the monthly, or the daily time frame. So I would want us to analyze this index starting from the daily time frame. So on daily time frame, firstly we spot the market's trend, right? We spot the general market direction, and it's clear that this index is on a downtrend. Always emphasize on identifying the market's trend on a higher time frame. If the market is in an uptrend, identify the market's trend, and if the market is in a downtrend, also do well to spot the downtrend market. How do we know a market that is in an uptrend and a market that is in a downtrend? An uptrend market has series of higher highs and higher lows formation, while a downtrend market has series of lower highs and lower lows formation. And this lower highs and lower lows formation gives the market a downward direction. Right, so you can see this index is on a downtrend because we have series of lower highs and lower lows formation, having the first highs at that point, second highs, a lower high, third high here, a lower high, basically fourth high, a lower high, and we got the last high here, which market is currently trading on, the last lower high in the market. And we have our lower lows as well, which we got the market create a first low here, a lower low, and that low here, lower low, right? Low, a lower low, and the last, I think this is the last lower low at this point. We have another lower low here before this last lower low here, basically. So do well to spot the market structure on a higher time frame, identify the market trend. It helps with your directional focus in the market. It helps with having a clear bias in the market. So as this market is on a downtrend, we expect something simple, which is the sell move to the downside, the sell continuation, for price to come create a new low, and for the completion of this last highs, this last lower high, for price to complete this last lower high. Because on every lower highs we get the sell move that followed up. You can see here the first high, the sell move, second high, sell move, third high, sell, fourth, sell, fifth, the sales is still expected. So having the sell expectations of this index on a higher time frame, why am I looking out for buy opportunities on jump order index? So this is the last lows the market created, a level that the market has held on to for some time now. Having the market buy on this level, first buy, second buy, third, fourth, then price came out to the same level and bought from this level. So I think you can see this clearly on the 4-hour time frame. So it's clearly seen on this 4-hour time frame, which this level was the last lows which the market created, but not really the lowest lows, because the lowest lows I think is here. This is the lowest lows on this index, this level. Basically, let's to mark it out, the lowest lows at this point, right? So everything's looking good on this index. The market structure is in place. Market is clearly on a downtrend. So before we get the major sales to the downside, because I'm expecting the sales long term on this index, before we get these sales, price is expected to buy to a certain level before the sales, right? Market is expected to buy to a certain level before the sales. So on this 4-hour time frame, the market is clearly in an uptrend, which is a counter trend move we spotted on the daily time frame. The counter trend uptrend you identified, right? The general trend of the market is downtrend. So on this 4-hour time frame, we got a counter trend. The market is still on a downtrend regardless of having this uptrend move, which is just a counter trend move, which the sales is still expected regardless. So these is my expectations of this index. I'm expecting this index to sell to this level I spotted here, which I identified earlier, right? Having that this is a level that market has expected, having that we've got price to expect this level. Firstly, support reaction there, support here, got this level broken and retested, resistance, got the sales, resistance here as well, sales, resistance here too, got the sales to the downside. This level still got expected at this point, resistance, the sells. For this level got broken and retested here, support, right? Support reaction here, price bought to the upside, sold at this point as a resistance. So this is a very strong level in the market, a level that you have higher possibilities of getting a reaction on if prices to get to this level, right? So the point here I'm expecting this index to sell from is at this daily time frame level, this daily time frame highs. The sales is expected basically, but I'm expecting price to push up to this level firstly before we get the major sales on this index on the daily time frame. So short-term buy move expected for long-term sales for the markets to continue in its original direction. So for buy opportunities, I'm waiting for this index to sell to this point for my buy entry, and we got this descending channel formation which the markets moved in, and descending channels are bullish reversal pattern formation. Whenever we see the market present descending channels, we get a bullish breakout, a bullish move to the upside. So I expect this index to sell to this zone for the buy move. On how we got this high is broken, we had the break of structure at this point. This high has got taken out, so a retest on this zone. I'm expecting the buys on this index from this point, and confirming this buy level. I also got on my Fibonacci 2, which we'll be doing right now, matching it up from this swing lows to the swing highs, and you can see that our buy zone is exactly on the 61.8 fib retracement level, which is the Fibonacci golden level, right? Fibonacci retracement golden level, the 61.8 fib retracement level. So I expect this index to sell to this zone for the buys, and this is a level that market has respected in the past. So if price can respect this level as a support and as a resistance, we have possibilities of getting markets also respect this level here, which the buy move is expected from this point on jump on index. So that's this, guys. That's my view and analysis on this index, and that's what I expect of this index. So if I'm to get my entries, if I'm to take a trade on this index on price getting to my buy zone, I will definitely give you guys an update on how this trade played out. And I already shared this buy setup on my public Telegram channel and to my VIP members, which I will be dropping the buy signal on price getting to our buy zone. So our TPs would be somewhere here. First TP should be at this point. Let's change the color of this, make this green for more clarification. So first TP should be here, right? Second TP should be at this highs, which is another level of resistance in the market, right? Second TP should be at that highs, that's highs. Third TP should be maybe at this top, right? More buys is expected on this index in the coming hours and days. So I'm expecting this index to buy to this zone before the major sells, because this index is clearly in a downtrend. But before we get the major sells on this index, market is to buy to a certain level to attract a lot of sellers in the market. But I don't think this current price level is a convenient level for the sellers to sell this index on. So they'll have to wait for the buyers to push the market to a certain level before they come into the trade to push the market to the downside, and that expected level is here, right? So the buy move is expected to this point on jump 100 index for the sell continuation, for the major sales expected. So that's this, guys. That's what I expect of this index. That's my analysis and market breakdown on jump 100 index. So for more market breakdowns like and market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.